Good YouTube, it's your boy ASAP Rondo back on another video, man. Today I'm just gonna give y'all a little day in the life, a little vlog, a little like resale tips, and for y'all people that have been asking and want to know how to become a successful reseller, this is how. So right now it's like 12 o'clock. We got up early, we already made moves. We sold already 3 big payment shoes. We've already made our profit, so we're gonna continue. We're gonna go to stores. We have hella cash. We're gonna try and cash out. We're gonna make a few deals, so y'all are gonna see that. I'm gonna give y'all the best reselling advice, the best tips that other resellers will not give y'all, so y'all know what you should buy or what you shouldn't buy. And we got SneakerCon Dallas coming up. Me, Micah, Carl, we're gonna be out there, so y'all stay tuned for that. That's in March 28th. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a fucking movie. We never been to Texas, so y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all this advice. Y'all take it, y'all use it. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to win, everybody to be successful, so y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy Rondo, out. All right, so we're on the way. We gotta make a few stops, but we got one meetup with this guy Adrian, then we got to meet up with SoleWavy, and then we got another meetup in Miami. So 3 meetups. If you're just consistent all day and doing your thing and just focus, this could really be your full-time job, because a lot of people ask, oh, you don't work yet, oh, mommy, daddy money. Nah, you just consistent, make sure you're buying the right things, which you guys will see in the next clip. I'm not going to talk too much, but y'all stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? Me and the boy Rami. SoleWavy did a deal last night. We're doing another deal again. I finally bought a shoe off him for the first time. Y'all can see what these are. Beautiful lot ones. I wish these were my size, but this size 12. He gave me a really, really good deal on these. So shout out to him. Y'all check him out.
Everything you want ASAP, man.
Y'all, man.
Don't you love when I come?
What the fuck? I'm blind.
So what are we doing here?
Low. 9.5. This is a dump day.
For Mike and the cut?
I just picked those up, so it is a dump day. Ooh, that's good. Okay, what do you want?
What's it at?
450, but the bid is low.
420.
I can't. The bid's low. I can't.
380 if you do 440 here.
No, it's 380. I don't.
Use lightly. Look at the discount we're giving. Bro, alright, 4 secured.
420. Best. 380. What else? You have something else. I like how he's recording. Can't even get him in the vlog. He's tired of being in it. King! Oh, I'm gonna stop playing that.
Yo, so that's just for sure?
Huh?
That's for sure?
That's for sure. What else? Cash only.
No more Zelle. 2022, no more Zelle.
That's why I put cash out for you. If it's him.
Wait, you think that hat would look good on you over there? The one in the corner? Cause I feel like you could rock that.
How much though? This shit is kind of far. I can't fuck up my hair right now to try it on. I don't have. We're going somewhere else.
Alright, so that's it, right?
No, what else?
Alright, that's it. I'm not in the mood
You always
today.
have one more shoe. There's always like something on this wall or something.
Huh? Alright, it's your size.
Oh, the Cool Grey size 10? They sold it?
Yeah. Oh, I'll give you a steal right here just because you're the boy. Size 8.5 below retail.
What about these?
You flaked last time.
Because you said
by
they
the
were
way, I
icy.
forgot that.
So you kind of, what you trying to do?
What were you thinking?
Like 170? 180 best? 180 bucks a month.
I pay 150 like on Thursday.
As always. As always. To the steals today. I beat him.
Always you did do it. But he paid better, that's why too. He paid better.
Here. Oh, that's 2. So we just picked up 2 pairs of these Oreos, 8.5, 10.5, lightly used for $2.90 each. We got these What the Paws for $400, lightly used. Platinum tints, brand new for $2.90. These are gonna be for the sale. I got these for $4.20. Not a bad price too. The Desert Mosses I paid $300. Try to get like $350 for these. The brand new Paras I paid $3.90. $390. That's,
380.
$380. It's a good price. Highly used, 180. If they don't sell, just tow them. 180 on them. Size 9, clean. So everything is clean with y'all. Y'all support Handpicked sneakers, man. They're always rearranging the store, giving good deals. Y'all make sure to check them out if y'all ever in Miami, man. They also ship too, so y'all check them out.
So what we end up getting today, man?
Man,
A lot of shit. Just look at the truck.
just look at the trunk. My dog's gonna play some games. My boy. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up?
Yo, what's good? ASAP Rondo back at the last meetup of the day, man. I'm finally ready to go home. It's been a long day, but like I said, we gotta just keep going and going. My boy Adrian from Swing Kicks. You guys have seen this boy Dennis on the channel a lot. He was in another video. He was in a few videos actually. You've probably seen Jacob in there. So this is the third member of Swing Kicks.
This is my boy Rondo right here, man. We've known each other for like what? About a year now?
Yeah, about a
good
year.
year.
Well, probably in a day, a few years.
Yeah, man. This man's solid business right here, man. Anything that comes out from this man, legit, authentic. You don't gotta hassle about payment. You don't gotta hassle about nothing. This man, no matter what, any deals, anything, come to him right here, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. And he gave me the Travis 6s for a steal. He always got good deals. Y'all check him out. He has his personal page and he also has the team page, Swing Kicks. Y'all check them out, man. They always got good deals. Always work with you, show love. Don't be afraid to DM them. Pick these up. These weren't in the video. I didn't put those at Handpicked. Yeah, we picked these up for $320. They're like $400. It's not bad price.
Let's go, nigga. The what are you talking about? Lit video alert! What you talking about? What you talking about?
Check me out, man. I know I said in the last clip, I'm gonna replay it. Yo, what's good? ASAP Rondo back at the last meetup of the day, man. I'm finally ready to go home. It's been a long day, but like I said, you gotta just keep going and going. I said it was the last meetup of the day, but you know, I was tired as fuck. But I came to leave my boy top tier Miami. Shout yourself out.
Top Shelf.
Oh,
Shelf
shit.
Miami. Top Shelf _ MIA.
I got 2 Cactus Jacks, khaki 6s for you, size 10, size 8. We agreed on these 2 so far. And then we agreed on something else, right? One more pair?
On these right here.
Oh my gosh, this guy.
I need these, bro. Paying you StockX bid for those, I think.
Let's check.
Oh, look. That's pretty good. Y'all see it?
Fuck it.
We'll do it?
Fuck it.
Alright, let's do it. For sure, bro. I'll tell you right now. Hey, bro, come mess with my boy over here, ASAP Rondo. Y'all already know. Giving out deals, man. Here you go, $430 for the metallics. And about to sell them right now for the other 2.
So just a few more tips that I want to add in there because I didn't really like discuss it while I was buying. So always check your phone on StockX to see the market because the market is changing like every day on shoes. So you always want to make sure that, you know, pay like a little bit under bid, give yourself room, know your clientele a little bit so you have a little bit of breathing room. Basically what I do, I kind of just like day trade. I don't really hold on to nothing. There's a few shoes that I hold on to. That's what I call it, ASAP Rondo, everything gone ASAP. But as you saw, like those Travis 6s I picked up for $350 yesterday, I sold them for $390. It was only $40 profit, but with like 15 shoes, if you do the math, like let's say I was profiting $40 off 15 shoes, that's $600. You know what I'm saying? Some people make that in a week from working. So it's just small things like that. Like try to just liquidate your inventory, know what to buy at a good price. You know what I'm saying? Don't force yourself to buy. It's another thing. Like don't force yourself to buy. If it's not there, just don't do it. Like even your parents always say, like if you gotta force something, don't do it. It's just not worth it. And that's it. So today I'm gonna be doing more deals, but that'll be in another video, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the reselling tips. I hope this will help you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe.